In August 2025, Portugal burned. 260,000 hectares, 3% of the entire country. By January 2026, the same country was drowning. Storm Kristin, the strongest storm ever recorded in Portuguese history, dumped months' worth of rain in days. 208 kilometers per hour wind gusts, hurricane force. Over 167,000 households without power. How do you swing from a water crisis, reservoirs nearly empty, to catastrophic flooding in 180 days? The jet stream moved south. Mediterranean warmed. Burn scars from summer wildfires couldn't absorb rainfall. The result? All three factors amplified each other. This isn't a one-off event. This is the new climate paradox. Extreme drought, then extreme flooding. Same region, same year. And it's accelerating. Want the full breakdown of why this paradox is accelerating? Subscribe to the Green Blueprint
And watch our latest video
about Climate Frontline.